Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Have you ever noticed how some music apps let songs blend into each other, where one track starts fading in while the previous one fades out? That's called crossfade, and this creates a smooth DJ-like flow between tracks. It's perfect for parties, workouts, or even background music. Now, the honest truth. As of now, Amazon Music does not have a full built-in crossfade feature. But don't click away just yet, because in today's small tutorial I will explain what crossfade is, and I will show you the best workaround to achieve that seamless sound with your Amazon Music library. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First, we want to check the feature. Open Amazon Music and go all the way to settings by tapping on this profile icon. Usually on your Basically app, you should be able to access it. Look for any option related to crossfade, transition, or any song overlap. On most versions, you won't be able to find it because Amazon Music currently doesn't offer the native crossfade. The workaround is to use another music player. It's basically easy. Download your Amazon Music as MP3 file. Then you will need tools like TunesMake, Stream and Audio Recorder, or UKSoft Amazon Music Converter. These are completely third-party tools. Do basically your own research before even downloading them, but I would say they are generally somehow safe. So these tools let you convert Amazon Music songs to standard MP3 files that you can play anywhere you want. They work with Amazon Prime and unlimited subscriptions. Transfer them to a music player that supports crossfade. Once you have MP3 files, you can upload them to Spotify, for example. Use the local files feature, Apple Music or iTunes, Windows Media Player or any VLC media player also, and that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.